There is this terrible feeling that comes with being disappointed. I had promised I would never do this to a client. Of course, I'd never. But why was she going to be the first? 2 reasons. Time was up in every way I could think of it. There was no possible way I could make that order. And I was going to use at least 2 hours of the time I didn't have to settle a score at the market.
So what about the other one that you did not really complete?
You see that oops, I did that unrepentant expression? Yeah, I expected that.
You take the white one.
Somebody's work. I collect work, I won't use it.
I was glad the seller eventually apologized for the wrong she did and replaced the missing items. Now that was over, I needed to figure out how I could finish up this order and deliver 300 nose masks. I stopped vlogging. Yeah, I did. I was under a lot of pressure, and worst off, my client had already sent someone to pick the masks up. So yeah, I stopped vlogging until we hit 150.
We just sent out 150, so we are left with 150. I'm sorry we couldn't video the packaging, like the pressure was too much.
Alright, we're gonna examine our done there. Cannot care right now.
I got help from everyone, including my dog.
Leave!
When we began to hit 250, we started to chill.
This Lagos life.
I'll help you. Let me just have time. I'll help you.
Oh, I feel you. Nepal's taking lights. Nepal, we don't have lights.
We have a power pack.
You're not working at all.
Wait, was that my phone? I hope not.
We are back on.
And soon enough, we were done.
Honestly, traumatized right now. We are left with 20. Okay, stress is not yet over. This is 4:35. And I still left the 20, so before 5 o'clock we have to finish so we can go deliver the rest. So let's go. Many big boxes to wire. Done. What are you doing? Are you ready?
Look, I'm on. I hope you know that.
Woo! Let's go. I can't even celebrate things.
Why are you like this?
150! Balo!
That night, I was super happy, and I didn't even know how to explain how I felt. I literally forgot to video my packaging, and I forgot to video the session I had with the client who ordered, but she was extremely excited when she got the mask, and she had no complaints, no issues. She transferred the balance of the money, and everyone went home happy, especially me.